Okay, it's day 6, May 14th, 2020. We're back here for our last point count for the project at the E.L. Johnson Nature Center Tower. I have an umbrella because it is raining lightly. Now, an important part of doing bird surveys in a scientific way is to do things consistently in a standardized manner, and for most bird counts that usually means not conducting bird counts in the rain or in high winds. We don't have much choice as far as our schedule goes, so let's go ahead and give this a try and see what happens with the bird count this morning. The sunrise this morning was 6:11 a.m. Our temperature is currently 48 degrees. Our cloud cover is 100%. We have a southeast wind at lightly 1 to 3 miles per hour. Barometric pressure is 30.13, and our start time is 7:12. And we'll go ahead and start the timer right now. And I am going to walk around behind the camera so that the camera doesn't get wet while we're doing the count right now. I'm hearing blue jays and American robins. I hear a least flycatcher. Song sparrow singing off to my right. A Baltimore oriole off to my left. A rose-breasted grosbeak off to my right. Another Baltimore oriole just flew in and landed in a tree on my right. I hear a second song sparrow a little bit farther away. And another blue jay in a different direction. And a couple more robins more distantly. Northern cardinal back behind me. And that's the end of our count. So the totals for the count this morning: blue jay 2, American robin 3, least flycatcher 1, song sparrow 2, Baltimore oriole 2, rose-breasted grosbeak 2, and northern cardinal 1.